Hello all, I am Saranya Ramachandran, All India rank 36 in the UPSC Civil Services Examination 2019, which was recently concluded. I would like to congratulate all the candidates who have found their name on the list. It's a very happy occasion for all of us. At the same time, I know how painful it is for candidates who appeared for the interview but did not find the name on the list. I went through the same situation twice. It is truly a painful moment after strenuous efforts through the mains examination and preparation for the personality test. With all the expectations we were waiting, it's difficult to accept it. But with my experience of failing twice after the personality test, I would like to tell you your efforts will never go waste. Just keep trying until you win. Thank you so much. It is at Shankar IAS Academy that I began with my preparation since 2015 after my graduations. So it has now been almost 4 years of preparation. All these 4 years I had the support of entire Shankar IAS Academy team. I'm really so blessed to get the support of so many faculties and teachers here personally. Today they are very much like my family. They took part in all the ups and downs I went through. I'd like to thank Shankar sir, who is no more, but he was an embodiment of simplicity. You may have all known about him. He's so much simple and very much easily accessible, that he always kinds of keeps people around him very much energetic and positive. He allayed all kinds of apprehensions that aspirants like me who came from very small town had without any kind of knowledge about UPSC. We landed here, but he provided us the spirit to take this process with energy. So I would like to thank sir very much. Other faculties like Vaishnavi ma'am, Rajita ma'am, Ganesh sir, Chandru sir, Dinesh sir, Shivashankar sir, and Arun sir. I would like to thank them also very much. They were all taking part in my endeavors and supported me, guided me, motivated me whenever I went down. And even when I did not seek support many times, there were many faculty here who provided a lot of support to me personally. After about 2.5 years, I returned home due to personal circumstances. Even then, I had the support online, and they provided a lot of help with respect to my prelims, mains, and interview preparation. I truly cannot thank enough for what I have received from the Shankar IAS Academy. Besides all this, Shankar IAS Academy also provides a very beautiful and supportive infrastructure and ecosystem to build peer learning. So it is through friends that nearly 50% of my learning took place. It is from here that whatever we cannot learn in an academic environment or class environment, we learn from friends. So many of the strategies and routines I got to know from my friends who are already in service, and those who are also preparing along with me. So I really thank for this ecosystem also. Shankar IAS Academy, besides providing me an opportunity to succeed in the exam, also provided a lot of memories to cherish with. And I truly enjoyed the preparation process because of Shankar IAS Academy and the support they provided. Thank you so much. I wish all the aspirants all the best for the upcoming prelims. Thank you.